Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix MFC100.dll missing on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method one, you just need to go to search menu and type in system information. Click on open it. In system type, you can able to see your system bit. In my case, I have x64 bit. Just note down. After that, go to Chrome and search in Chrome MFC100.dll. Press enter. Scroll down and select this dllme.com and select the download option. And now download the file depends on your system bit. In my case 64 bit, so I'm downloading this. If you are 32 bit, download this. Scroll down and select I am human option and just select the thing and select verify option and select start download. And now verify you are human and now it start downloading. The download doesn't starts like me, then click on this, click here if downloads does not start automatically begin. After getting download and select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. Copy the DLL file and now go to this PC, local disk C, Windows, system 32, just double click and paste in here and select continue. And now go back to Windows and find SYS Wow 64 and paste in here and say continue. And now restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up Chrome and search Visual C++ redistributables 2010 and press enter. Select the first link and select the language and select download option. Download it depends on your system bit. If you have 32-bit operating system, download this x86. In my case, I have a 64-bit operating system, so I'm downloading this. Now install the file we downloaded. Select this. After getting installed and select finish and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.